Hi there, I'm Sean Craner and I'm here at Leica Store San Francisco and I have the new Disney Q2. What's interesting about this right off the bat is it comes in a brown craft cardboard box, which is new as far as I've seen. This particular one appears to be number 462 of 500, only 500 pieces produced for the worldwide consumption. So we're going to crack this one open and see what's inside. Well, let's just slip this open. Oh, that's nice. Opens up like a tulip. We're going to slide this aside. We've got the Disney packet right on top, and this appears to have all of the paperwork inside. Let's check it out. No paperwork. So this has the strap. And look out front here, and a special carry pouch with what is probably the same design as what's on the outside of the camera. And the strap is special. It has the little Mickey Mouse ears right here on the leather embossed on one side and Leica on the other. So we'll put that back in here, tuck that in. And the box also has the Disney 100 Years logo. Again, we'll set all this aside. Okay. Right inside here, we get the official paperwork. And this folds out and probably has the edition number with Matthias Harsch's signature on it, certificate of authenticity. And it looks like a story about the camera. We'll slip that back in there. I'm going to assume all the accessories are probably the same. Let's have a look. Yep, looks like it. We've got the battery, protective ring, the charger, the cables, all your normal Q2 stuff. Paperwork. There's normal Q2 paperwork. We'll slide that back in. Let's check out the actual camera. Okay, we've got the standard box that we've all probably seen more than once. And there's the camera. Very special and distinctive covering. It feels like a canvas covering that's protected. It has a plasticized finish on it, so it looks like it's going to hold up very well and probably isn't going to show fingerprints or anything like that. On the top, you've got the black on black embossed Disney on there, which is pretty cool. Subtle, but certainly a definite reminder of what you're holding is special. On the base, it also has the Disney logo over the card slot. And everything else is pretty much standard Q2, I think. Yes, indeed. Well, I think it's really attractive. All the Disney collectors are going to want to have this, but unfortunately I don't think Leica made enough for all the Disney collectors out there, but someone will be very happy to receive this one later today. Well, thank you for joining us, and we'll hope to see you again soon.